Afternoon, people. I just thought I'd make a quick video going over some analysis for this week on the Forex and crypto markets. Today's the 27th of December, and this is my weekly analysis that I thought I'd share with you guys. Please bear with me, this will be my first video, so again, I'm not used to talking through a microphone and annotating at the same time, so hopefully it's one of those things that will improve over time, but yeah, I'll try my best. So starting off with pound US dollar here, I'm on the 4H time frame, and I can see this pair is consolidating here, really ranging 20-30 pip range. I really do not want to be in this market at the minute. For me, I've got these two levels here. I've got a support and resistance level, which I'll be looking for price to either break above or below, and then retest it for continuations either to the upside or to the downside. Given we've just had the Christmas period, obviously volume in the market is going to be lower than usual, so it's just a case of sitting back, being patient, and letting the trades play out according to plan. So that's my plan for pound US dollar. Pound JPY, same sort of structure, however we can see that the yen is much weaker than the dollar given the volume in these candles here showing pound strength. Again, price is still respecting this resistance here. I will not be getting involved until we have a strong break above, maybe a wick rejection, or price could come back down and break this level here for continuation sells. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, again choppy. Last week we did make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Could be making this higher low. We did break this structure. We weren't near to retesting it, but again we're struggling to break above, so we could look for a retest. Bullish candle for continuations up. However, we could also be breaking these lows here, this low, and invalidating this uptrend. But for the time being, I'm going to have these levels marked out, wait for price to either break above or below before executing any trades. CADJPY, we can see here, it's respecting this resistance level beautifully with multiple wick rejections here. Last week price was in an uptrend, and now it's starting to deplete, respecting this last major high in the market. And overall, if we do close bearish, we could see this come back to the downside, given the current trend, which is we made a low, made a lower high, a lower low, failing to break above the lower high, which is respecting this downtrend beautifully. But for me to sell this, I'd be waiting for a break of this low here, maybe a retest and continuations lower. That's my plan for CADJPY. USD Swiss franc, to me, it's just a mess. We've got indecision candles. Yeah, I don't really want to get involved in this one. If I'm honest, there's no clear signs of what price is doing. Obviously, you can see we've got lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We've broken this structure here. Could make a lower high, but yeah, I'm going to stay out of this one. There's much easier pairs to trade at the minute, and if this pair does provide me with an opportunity this week, then maybe I'll jump in. USD Japanese yen, really beautiful pair this morning. You can see we broke this structure here, strong bullish candle. You can see dollar's much stronger than the yen. If I drop down to my 1 hour, I've got this level marked here, which I was planning to instantly execute given the momentum shift to the upside, breaking above this high here with a stop loss here. So yeah, we can see it's broken now, so I will be expecting this pair to continue bullish, maybe hit some of these targets around 115.45. But yeah, really beautiful. I might have to get into some of these trades as we speak. Yeah, really beautiful USDJPY. EUROJPY at this resistance level, again, much easier pairs to trade. I'd rather stay out of this one here. Maybe if price breaks this sort of structure here or breaks above, I'll be looking to execute. USDCAD is another pair I've got my eyes on as of this morning. Obviously, we know the US dollar is strong given the USDJPY analysis. Again, here we've got signs CAD is starting to turn weak. We are breaking levels in the market. As you can see, it was pushing bearish. We made a low here, and now we're starting to break some of these highs. We've broken these highs. Again, we're approaching these highs here. Could break these. Yeah, really looking promising, this pair. Really looking promising for buys. For me to buy this, I'd probably wait patiently for it to break these highs here just to be safe before targeting some of these levels here for a nice range to the upside. So yeah, definitely one to watch out on this week. EURUSD, a bit messy again. I'm going to stay out of this one. You can just see how choppy it is. Aussie dollar, US dollar, starting to deplete. Obviously, price was pushing up last week, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. However, we have got this major low here that we need to break before invalidating this uptrend. We could easily make a double bottom pattern here, and if we do so, and I do see a bullish candle around this area here, I will be looking to buy this pair to the upside. But at the moment, we know the dollar's strong, so I'd probably stay out of this until structure is more clear. Gold, I don't really trade gold, but I've always got it on my watch list. Again, not much volume in gold, so I will be staying out of this pair. EURNZD here, price was pushing bearish, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And today we have broken the last lower high, which could invalidate this downtrend. However, the current candle is bearish. Maybe it's retesting the last high here. Yeah, so if it does retest, if we do get an hour bullish close, and we do see signs of euro strength, NZD weakness, then 100% I'll be looking for buys on this pair. But at the moment, it's just not ready yet. So that's my Forex watch list. Let's look at a few crypto pairs. Bitcoin was looking promising. I was looking over the weekend. If you see the weekly, we closed the weekly candle bullish, which is a good sign that this pair could continue up. However, in the back of my mind, I have got this daily sort of resistance here where price is failing to break above. We sort of made it, low lows, lower highs, lower lows, coming back up to it, multiple wick rejections. For me to buy Bitcoin, I would prefer a break of this to invalidate this downtrend. Obviously, the weekly is looking nice. If you look here, we made a low, weekly candle closed bullish. The next week was bullish. Again here, we come back down. We made a higher low. We had our weekly candle close bullish. So I'm anticipating this week's Bitcoin candle to close bullish. But again, at the back of my mind, I have got this level here, and I'd rather be safe and allow price to break this before I do buy any more Bitcoin. Another one I'm on the lookout for is XRP. As you can see, we had a weekly candle close bullish. Next candle could close bullish this week. However, again, you can see here price is respecting the last high, and also in the back of my mind, I see this massive wick rejection here to the downside, and I know 9 times out of 10 these wicks are more than likely to get filled. So if I was to buy Bitcoin, I would rather buy it around this area. You can see Bitcoin, if I was to buy XRP, I'd be looking to buy this area. If you see Bitcoin, it also made a wick. However, it's filled more than 50% of the wick, whereas XRP is still got a lot of the wick to fill. You can see previously we create a wick, we fill it, we create a wick, we fill it. Even up here, we create a wick, we fill it, we create a wick, we fill it. We don't always fill it straight away, but sooner rather than later, I'm anticipating this wick to be filled, and I would feel more comfortable buying XRP if we got to at least in the 60s, 0.60, to then make this rally up to the upside. Dogecoin, again, bottoming out here. A weekly candle is closing bullish for most crypto pairs, which is looking promising. Yeah, it'll be interesting this week to see if the current weekly candle closes bullish. I do think Bitcoin will close bullish this week. Same with XRP, but again, next week it could go bearish to fill this wick or create another wick. We don't know. But yeah, that's my analysis for this week. Hopefully I'll be able to push a few more videos out, maybe once a week, once every Sunday, Monday, or midweek analysis. Yeah, if you are trading this week, especially earlier on this week, just bear in mind that the volume isn't the best, so just be patient. You don't want to sit in drawdown. But yeah, we'll see how this goes, I guess. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.